Hello, 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 and welcome to my channel. This is Wumi Ogunmakin, and today I am going to do a video about how to make $100 a day using Clickbank. So, I've already gone into my Clickbank account. Kind of actually had Clickbank for a while, but didn't really understand how to use it. However, I always go to redo the research, and I found some interesting stuff. So, you go onto clickbank.com. It's easy to sign up. It's free to sign up. You sign up, get a username, put your username, password, and all of that. And you really have to focus on three main things. Three niches that are really, really huge: the health and wellness industry, the making money industry, and relationships. Those three are huge. So we're going to come over here to where it says Marketplace. You would click on Marketplace right there, and it'll bring you to this screen. And so on the left-hand side is where you have all of this stuff that you could find stuff to promote. Okay, so I'm going to go into, let's say, let's go for spirituality and new age and alternative beliefs. Let's just go there and see. Right? When you click on it, bam. Okay, so one of the things to pay attention when trying to promote products on Clickbank is you want to make sure that not only is it a popular product, but also that it has a relatively decent gravity rate or high gravity rate. And the gravity rate goes right here. Like, for instance, this top one right here, numerology.com or numerologist.com, fully personalized. Okay, numerologist.com. There we go. It has a gravity of 250, which means it's a very popular product. It is being promoted tremendously, and they're kicking butt with this product right here. And then you just go through, like, literally, I would say the first 5 on this list would be hot products to promote. And what you want to do is, if you decide you want to promote this product, you would go here and you would click on promote. And let's click on it. And create. And so what that is going to do, it's going to create your link and an HTML code, that you could use if you have on your blog, if you wanted to post this to your blog. But we're not going to do that. So before you want to promote anything on Clickbank, I would recommend that you take a look at the affiliate page and see what it's all about. Okay? A lot of people are interested in numerology readings and stuff like that. Hey, you go ahead. Boom, here it is. And so, okay. So that's the sales page and whatnot. And one thing to take in consideration, instead of just sending traffic just to the sales page, you should also create a email list, so that when they do go to the sales page and they opt in, they would also be going to be put on your email list. And once they're on your email list, you can always send them information, even if they don't sign up for this numerologist stuff, even if they don't buy it, at least you have their name and email on your list, and you can always send them stuff, or just, send out an encouraging or inspirational word for the day or for the week. And, doing this will build your list. And so, that's when when you're building your sales page, you could also, or opt-in page, you can do that as well, so that when they opt in, it'll bring them here, but also put them on your email list. But you make sure that the opt-in page is kind of congruent. It kind of looks similar, the color scheme and whatnot, to this sales page. Therefore, your customers or your prospects won't think they're going somewhere else, Okay, so let's close out of that. And let's try something else here. When you promote these, you can promote them using, do a video on YouTube promoting that. You can also do a video, put it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, via Periscope, and just to get your link out there, so that the more eyeballs you get on your link, the more, the higher rate of people opting in to your email list who want to find out about this numerologist.com stuff. So, let's also go to something like cooking. Let's see. We have some products there. Oh, wow. So this one, keto resources. Now, I know the keto diet or keto lifestyle is very high in demand. It's like the new health thing on the scene to help people lose and maintain their weight. That's interesting. So you can go for the keto right here. It has a high gravity rate as well of 103. That's a lot, too. You can promote that. So, I'm going to go on extensive training in this, but, that's the gist of it, that, you can go and make $100 a day. And so, if you have 2 or 3 sales a day, that's some serious income. And then, it could be more than $100 a day for you. But with that being said, go ahead and subscribe. I hope you like this video. I hope you found it informative. There are many videos about Clickbank. This is just scratching the surface on Clickbank videos. However, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. Let me know if there are other things in the affiliate marketing or money-making industry that you would like to know, and I can do a video on. However, don't forget, always, just stay positive, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you, and have a great day.